We will install front left caliper cover as example. For front right caliper cover installation, replace accessories with R1, R2, and R3. Put the clamps on rear side of the caliper as the video shown. Put the clamps on front side of the caliper as the video shown. Put the caliper cover on the caliper. Insert 2 screws into the screw hole in rear side of the cover as the video shown. Insert 2 screws into the screw hole in front side of the cover as the video shown. Tighten 4 screws firmly. We will install rear left caliper cover as example. For rear right caliper cover installation, replace accessories with R4 and R5. Put the clamps on top, bottom of the caliper as the video shown. Put the caliper cover on the caliper. Ensure the screw hole line. Insert 2 screws into the screw hole of the cover as the video shows. Tighten screws firmly.